सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे इस चैनल को और प्रेस करें बेल आइकन ताकि मेरे हर एक वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले।
Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Abdul Qadir Siddiqui, and in today's lesson I will tell you how to create a parametric dining table with some basic chairs. So also I will tell you how to create a formula to decrease number of chairs, decrease and increase number of chairs as your dining table size will be decrease and increase. So for example, you want to decrease your size of table, so the number of chairs also will be decreased, and if you want to increase the number size of your table, so the number of chairs will be increased. Okay, so this kind of family, how to create such family in Revit, so I will tell you now. So you can see here on the on my screen that the number of chairs, this is the huge number of chairs with a big table, and then another one is just some of chairs with a small table. Here also you can see 4 plus 4, 10 chairs plus 10 chairs with a medium size of dining table. So this is we call dining set with some chairs. So let's start now how to create such parameter, and also I will tell you the types of such family. So we can create some types. So for example, in some projects you need 8 chairs with the dining tables. In another place you need 10 chairs and 6 chairs, 12, 100 and 200 chairs. For example, whatever you want, you can increase and you can decrease the chairs. It will be customized as per your table size. Okay, so let's start now. So this is my interface of Revit, and in my last tutorial I told you how to create this normal parameter. So I told you how to go with a template, how to select the template. So it's the small things, I don't want to repeat and repeat again and again. Okay, so I'll just go direct here in family and I'll open new. Okay, I'll have to look for furniture, metric furniture for sure. So I'll just look here for furniture system. Okay. Okay, let's open this. This is the template of furniture. So in such kind of family we have to create 2 parameters. First thing, we have to create a parameter of chair, and second thing is we will have to create parameter of table. So and then after that we will combine both of them, table and chair, and I will set the formula, so it will you will see how it works. Okay, so this is open screen this is open screen as you can see on my laptop, and now I have to go in reference level, and as your file is open, you can just type UN shortcut, which I told you already in last tutorial. Shortcut of this is shortcut of units, project unit, and change the unit as per your requirement. Okay guys, so my unit is set already, and now I have to start. Okay, so first of all I will go in reference plane. I will take a reference line as usual. I told you in another lesson. Okay, this is the reference reference line. I have just created reference plan, we call it reference plan, and I have to just make some dimension. I'll just create some dimension, check the scale, let me set the scale. Okay, and this is the dimension. Another one I have to create here. This is so this is I'm creating parameter of chair, as I'm reminding you again. So the reference plan is finished, and I have finished some dimensions here. I will just select this, make it equal, select this dimension, make it equal. So this line will be center of the object, whatever you are going to create. I will select this one, and I'll make parameter. First, to make things I will tell you how to create parameter of this. Once you will select this dimension, you will have this option here, create parameter. Just click here and write the name, sufficient name. This is seat size, for example. I'm going to put seat size and copy this. Okay, now, and this also will be seat size, so I can assign with the same parameter because it is a rectangle. The length and width will be the same, so I can assign on the same name. Okay, now I have to go in elevation, but before going elevation, I create a geometry. Here I'll take extrusion, and I'll take rectangle from here to create my geometry for seat. Seat of chair. This is the seat of chair. And now I'll cancel the command. Okay, now I'll go to front elevation. Okay, and I'll have to create some other one more parameter here, reference plan, and then I'll create parameter. So I'll just click shortcut of dimension, di, which is di always, I tell you, and I'll select this, create another parameter, height, seat height. I will name it seat height. Okay guys, so this is now my seat height. I will just click and lock this. So seat height, let me go there in family types and adjust the dimension 400, for example. I will put seat size 400. Seat height will be, I will just keep it 430, and now it's finished. Okay, just now I will select this and use align this and lock it from the place, and this one I can drag it and pull it up to here, and here I can adjust my dimension. For example, the seat height extrusion will be start from 430, which is this line, and because it's 0, you can see from the 0 the seat height is 430, so it's showing that my extrusion, this extrusion is starting from 430 and it is coming down up to 403. So here the dimension between these extrusion start and end, whatever the dimension it will be here, it will be the thickness of the seat. So for example, my thickness of seat will be 30 millimeter, so I will have to keep here 400 millimeter. So you can see 430 and 400 millimeter will be minus, and just I will type di, enter again, and I will put a dimension here and I will lock this. So once I will put this dimension and I will lock, so this and this height, this parameter will follow this dimension, the seat and the thickness of seat, it will be follow up the seat height. So for example, if I'll tell you, I'm going here, I'm changing seat height, I'll just change from 430 to 500, and then you can see that it's the 30 millimeter is following the seat height as per, you can see as it is going to adjust. So 430 original size, I will just keep it like this, and then I will go back to reference plan, reference level, sorry, and I'll just select this one, or you can go from here also, reference plan, as I have drawn in the beginning. So I'll prefer to select this, create similar. Okay, create similar. This this reference plane I'm creating for the legs. You know, we have to create parameter for legs also, so I will just make this some parameters here, some more parameters, and I'll go to create now. And before going to create a geometry, I will just type with di, enter again. I will put dimension for the size of legs. No need to put all dimension, just put this one and this one. This one I don't need, and I need this one here, and this one also I don't need. I'll put it, that's okay. Just I will put one more here. Okay, now I will select one dimension here and I will create a new parameter for legs. So the chair legs, I will name it chair legs. Okay, and now this I will assign this with chair legs. Reference plan are over constraint. Okay, just lock this in place, make sure that it's locked, and let's do this. It's not accepting, so I'll remove this one and I will assign this one on this because it's not accepting too much dimension in one parameter, so no problem. We don't need this also, because for this dimension we have this parameter, and for this direction we have this parameter, so it will work also on this leg. Okay, and this parameter will work on this leg. If we will lock the geometry on this reference line, so it will follow on this dimension, this parameter. Okay, so don't worry about it, and this one I will assign with this. Okay, now I'll just go to create some geometry for legs. So I will just take, let me close this, create another. I will go with blend because I need to make my chair legs in some taper angle. So I'll just take it here. I'll just take offset, use the rectangle, and I will take offset 10 millimeter, and it's taking, you can see it's taking from outside, so I don't need to be from outside. I'll just need it from inside the line. You can see here the edge of the table, edge of the seat, sorry, and my legs in taper angle should be start from the inside the seat. So for this I will just use escape button on my screen. I'll just place it and then it will be start from inside. Okay, now I will click in edit top, and I will take another rectangle, and then I don't need offset now, and I will just take full of the size, and I will lock these locks on the place and close it. Just click on the big green tick mark, and now this leg is created, as you can see. Now I will just use mirror, and then let's edit top one, and we can align this. The same things I told you I told you in last tutorials, which I have created parametric lesson. So the same things I have explained there also. Okay, so no need to explain in more here. Now I will select this one. I'll go with this, align with this, align with this, align with this. Close green check button. Just select this one, edit top, and align with this, align with this, and let's make sure that it is aligned. I don't think, yeah, it's aligned, and align with this one. Okay, click the green check button. It's okay. Now finish. Now I have to create one more extrusion here, rectangle by extrusion for the backrest of the chair. No need to lock now because I have to create a parameter in elevation. So now I'll close it. I'll go to front view now. I'll have to, as usual, I have to align this. First let me drag here, it's getting a little confusing. So now it's clear. I will just click align this, lock it on the place, align again, and the behind one. This is the back side of the chair again. Now 4 legs I have aligned with the seat and lock on the place. Now again I'll have to take another reference line here, and I will lock it on the place. Sorry guys. And this one, and select this one, it will follow this, lock it on the place, so it can be followed. If you will lock in the place, so it can be understood that this is in one parameter. Okay, and now I will just select this one, and I can create similar, and just click here, lock it on the place, and create another parameter for the chair backrest. sorry, it's typing mistake. Okay, backrest height, unlock it again. Now check the scale, it's better. It will look like very ugly. Okay guys, now I can adjust this height here, backrest let's make it 800 is enough, I think. Now if you will go in 3D, you can see, if you cannot see anything, you just type Z and escape, so you can it will be extend and zoom extend, and then you can see everything. And I'll just make it in shaded mode. See, now the chair is created. This is a simple chair. Okay, now this one, now I have to create now first I have to save this. Okay, I can save it and go to save as family. For example, I'm going to keep it on the desktop. Okay, new folder and chair. Okay, now the chair family is finished. Now I have to create a table, dining table. So I just close this and I will go again in new template, and I'll take same template which we call furniture system, and I'll just open it. Okay, here just I will check unit by tapping UN enter on my keyboard, and I'll take millimeter. No, it's fine. I'll take reference plan, same like I have used in chair family, so no need to explain again, it's very small thing. Now created. Okay, I will use di enter some dimension for the length and width, this one, sorry, I forget to put this dimension for the total dimension. Okay, I'll select this. I will okay, let's make parameter for this. I will call it table length L, and this one just select this, make it equal. Okay, lock it on the place, it's better. Just select this one and lock it on the place. Select this one, make parameter, another parameter for table underscore w width. Okay, now this is finished. I will create extrusion. I will take a rectangle to create tabletop, and I will lock this on the place. Click on check green button and then it's okay. Cancel the command, go out. Okay, now I'll have to go to front elevation. Just double click on front elevation here and create another reference plan which will be our height of table. Just use di enter here and select this one, make another parameter. I'll call it table height. Yeah, it's better. ht height, table height. I will lock it on the place, and then I will use aligned. Better to just adjust the height here now. Table length, for example, 1600, and or make it 1400, and table width, let's make it 1000. Table height, it will be of course 800 millimeter. Apply. Okay, so now I can align this here, lock it on the place. Let's move this a little bit here. Drag and pull it up here and check the thickness here for the tabletop. So the extrusion end will be on 800, which is 0 this one, and 800 from 0, and it is coming back. Extrusion start will be 750. Let's make, so tabletop thickness will be 50 mm in thickness. Okay, lock in place, so it will be follow the height. As height will be adjusted, it will be moved and it will be shipped as per the height. As I can show you here, 800. If I make 700, it will be follow this. Go back to 800, make this. Okay, now I have to go to reference level again, and I have to create some more reference plan. So I can use this RP enter, which is shortcut of reference plan, and I can draw it here. Draw this one, draw this here. Now let's move it a little bit so there will be sufficient space to work here to put the dimension, another dimension for legs. I'll just put dimension here for leg here. I'll put another one here. Okay, another one here, and then it's okay, I think. Yeah, and okay, I can make a new parameter for legs. Table, let's go legs. Let's make a W so we will know that it is the width of the table legs. Okay, now select this, assign with legs. Okay, check the unit, it looks very bad. Okay, now make it 1:20, it's better. Too much, it's too big, keep it 10, it's okay. And now I have to go to extrusion, create another, lock it on the place. Okay, make another extrusion here, lock it on the place, make another one, just lock it on the place. Make sure that it is locked always. I'm not sure that this is locked here. Okay, now it's locked. This one not locked. Which is this one? Where is this one? It's here, it's hidden. See, in this case you can use align command. Sometimes if it's not locked, you will have to face issue. Okay, then again use aligned, lock it on place, aligned, lock it on place. Okay, make sure that all the legs are locked, all the lines are locked here. Okay, see, it's not locked, so it will give an error. Okay, if it is locked, so you will not be able to move. See, it will give you a message to remove constraint if it is locked. So in this case you can remove, or you can check that this is locked. Okay, now I'll click OK. I'll go to front elevation and I will just use aligned and lock it on the place. Now you can go to 3D and I will show you that. Oh, what this? I have to go in top. Okay, realistic hidden line I will just take, and now you can see this, the table is created. Now I have to assign material. Okay, or if you will see in realistic, it will look like this because the material is not assigned here. So first of all, I will prefer to make it join, so no need to make many materials here. See, the line is clear now here. And now I'll select this one and I'll create in the family of chair. I forget to create material, I think. So you can see here how to create material also. Same thing you can apply in the chair. Okay, now I will use it, table _ material. Okay, now I can go in family type, and then I can see the material just I have created here, and the parameter I have just created. You can see here, you can see it here, and then I can make I'll just create a new material, something like as wood. This is okay. I'll just go with this. Okay, take beach. Okay, apply. Okay, so this is your dining table. This is a simple dining table, just to tell you how to create a parameter for any object. Okay, so now our table is ready. I will save it here. I will name it table family. Okay, okay, let's open the chair. Where is the chair? Okay, let's go open from this. Let's open the chair now, so I can make the material and assign on this. Better to, okay, I'll just select this one, make another parameter for material. So I'll call it just I will name it chair top material. Okay, another parameter, just I copy this and I will remove the top. Legs, I need to legs, make legs material. Okay, I'll prefer to join this here, just to use this join command to join this. Now it looks better. Okay, so we'll go in realistic view. There is the material is not yet assigned here. You can go here, top material, you can assign here. You can select this one and assign just legs material. And now just go here in family type and create material. So I can create here wood, because it's wood and chair. I will just create wood also here, and I will look some wood from here. And let's take this one, or let's take the same what I have applied in dining chair, dining table. Okay, I'll just copy. Okay, and okay, use copy and paste here. So the chair material is done. Now I'll just save it. Shit, by mistake it's undo. Bolt. What? Oof, I lost whatever I made. Okay guys, now I'll stop it here, and in the next lesson you will see how to create types and parametric family. Parameter is this one, how to create formula and how to combine both of them, because the video will be very long. So this is the part 1, and part 2 you will see the rest of the things. Okay.